Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a listing presentation with Sotheby's International Realty, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary materials. Prepare a template for your presentation, ensuring it aligns with Sotheby's International Realty branding. Start with an engaging introduction that outlines the purpose of your presentation. Include a brief personal introduction to establish credibility and rapport. Highlight your experience in the real estate industry and any relevant achievements. Mention the strengths and unique selling points of Sotheby's International Realty. Research the specific property you will be presenting. Collect comparable market data to support your pricing strategy. Include high-quality images of the property to visually appeal to potential clients. Create a detailed property description, emphasizing its features and benefits. Incorporate information about the neighborhood, showcasing local amenities and attractions. Discuss your marketing strategy tailored for the property. Outline the digital and traditional marketing channels you will use. Present a timeline of the listing process, explaining what clients can expect. Include testimonials or case studies from previous clients to build trust. Prepare answers for commonly asked questions to address client concerns proactively. Conclude with a clear call to action, inviting potential clients to discuss the next steps. Practice your delivery to ensure a confident and polished presentation. Gather feedback from colleagues or mentors to refine your presentation further. Make any necessary adjustments based on the feedback received. Rehearse multiple times to ensure smooth transitions between sections during the actual presentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.